Certain Porsche models may come equipped with a power liftgate. When replacing the power liftgate struts, a calibration has to be performed when work is completed. The calibration for the power liftgate is available in iSCAN's native Porsche software. In this video, we'll review the procedure using the new iSCAN NX. After identifying the vehicle, tap Body System. Tap Rear Lid. Rear End Electronics Module info is displayed. Tap Enter to continue. Tap Special Function. Tap Calibration. Confirm vehicle criteria is met and tap Enter to continue. Press the rear lid outside release button to open. The lid will open. During calibration, a rapid beeping will sound. Once rear lid is completely open, press the close button on the rear lid. Once complete, you'll receive a confirmation message if successful. Press Exit to return. Thanks for watching. Check out our other videos for more technical tips for Porsche vehicles.